Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a super quick tutorial to just show you how to do a save a group chat in Zoom. So here is a Zoom call which I have, and say if I put in my email address, okay. So you can see, just for an example here, this is a Zoom meeting chat which you access there. When it comes to wanting to save the contents of it, which you should always do if you're on a networking call or if you're on a client call and you put any links in there, it's just a really great way to save the information. So you click on the more on the three dots, and then you click on Save Chat, and it is simple as that. And then if you click on Show in Folder, then it opens it up and it saves it under Documents for me and under Zoom. But also, I mean, if you don't know where on your file structure it saves, then it is always worth clicking that button to just open it up in the background so you know where it is once the Zoom call ends. Hopefully that's helpful, guys. Hope you have a great day. Take care.